Hello everyone, welcome to J's Kitchen. Today in my video I'm going to show you all how to make a very simple, tasty, yummy ice cream within just 15 to 20 minutes. Come, let's get into the video and check out the ingredients and how to make it. I'm G from G's Kitchen. Here I have taken a bowl which I kept it into the freezer for a while so that it remains cold, and into another bowl I have taken some ice cubes and some ice water, and I'm going to keep this one into it so that our whipping cream always maintains its temperature. And I'm going to use 2 cups of whipping cream. You can add according to your requirement and quantity what you need. And here today I'm going to make chocolate ice cream. So I'm using little bit of chocolate. I'm going to microwave it for about 10 to 20 seconds, and I'm going to leave it aside so that it cools down. The chocolate is melted now. Let's keep it aside. And now I'm going to start to mix this and whip it. We need to whip it until it becomes a very fluffy consistency. And now this is after about 5 minutes. I'm going to whip it for further 5 minutes. And now you can see how fluffy the consistency is. This is what we need. Just stir it a bit. Don't put the spoon and stir it too much. Always remain the fluffiness so that the ice cream comes out well. Now for these 2 cups of whipping cream, I'm going to use 3/4 cup of condensed milk. You can adjust the sweetness according to your taste. And once we have added the condensed milk, just fold in the whipping cream and the condensed milk so that it gets together very well. Fold in like that instead of stirring it too much. Now this becomes the vanilla ice cream. If you want, you can add some vanilla flavoring as well. And if you want any other flavor, you can add also. For example, you can crush some strawberries and add into it, or you can crush some Oreo biscuits and add into it, or if you want peppermint, you can add little bit of mint. So it depends on what flavor you want. Now I am adding in the chocolate, and I'm also going to fold in the chocolate. If you want so dark, you can add more chocolate. I'm just adding little bit to give a taste. The chocolate has combined well. You can make it in a bigger batch, the vanilla flavor one, and then you can separate into different containers and you can make different versions of this ice cream so that you can satisfy all your family members. Now let's transfer this into a container, and I'm going to leave it in the freezer for about 6 to 8 hours minimum. You can keep overnight as well. So when you have guests, you can do this the previous day and you can serve them. No doubt we can easily buy ice creams from the stores, but it is always special when you make it at home. You can also add nuts if you like. Now this goes into the freezer for at least 6 to 8 hours. After about 6 to 8 hours, let's open it and see. I'm using an ice cream scoop to scoop out the ice cream. You can see how the consistency is. You won't believe how tasty it is. You need to do it by yourself to experience that goodness. Just with two to three ingredients, easily available ingredients. If you can make ice cream at home, who doesn't want to? Now I'm going to add in some chocolate syrup as well. You can use any toppings as per your wish. And here you go, our tasty homemade ice cream is ready. Make this at home and enjoy with your family and friends. Let me meet you with another interesting recipe. Be safe. Thank you.